Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to add something about you or write something about you on your account on Signal easy and quickly. So enter this application and then click on your profile icon and then click here. So as you see here we have this about section, so click write a few words about yourself, or if you want to choose something from here, speak freely, encrypted, be kind, so something like this. And then click save and that's it. It will be saved. So that's how to add something about you on your account on Signal easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.